All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to break off some edges on any kind of wood. If you're working with doors, cabinet, shelves, anything that has a really sharp edge, and you want to just get rid of that really fine sharp edge and just get a little roundness out of it, you can just I made it with a couple scraps piece of wood, glued the two edges together, made a 90-degree angle, grabbed myself a little piece of sandpaper. I made mine 4 inches long, and you just put your sandpaper in like this. You can hold it in there, you can glue it on there or tape it on there, but I just hold it with my fingers tight and it's not gonna move. This actual sandpaper that I'm using, this 3M Pro Grade Precision, is it kind of has like a sticky backing on it, so it kind of grips onto the wood, and all you have to do is put it on your sharp edge and just swipe it. So on these, I'm actually building a bed for my son, and these edges are really sharp here. So to avoid him getting hurt with these edges, I'm using 4 swipes so that I have all of them pretty much the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. You get your nice little edge on there. It doesn't take off too much, so that you still have that nice squared off edge, but it's not sharp where it's gonna really cut into him or let them get hurt. And then just flip it over again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're ready to go. So I actually decided to give these 2 more passes to make it even rounder. Actually doesn't make it rounder, it just gives it a nice flat edge there. You can't even see it really, the difference from how it started, but you definitely can feel it. And it's good to prevent splinters or anything flaking away and causing more damage later on. On doors, it's great. On the bottom edges of the doors or the sides of the doors, it's great because it will prevent it from flaking up or chipping. And yeah, it's a quick little fix. Made it out of some scrap wood. All right, thanks guys. So these are the side rails of the bed, and even with the same block, you can, even though it's thinner, it'll still work the same. And you get your same finish, because since you have the 90-degree angle, it will go any diameter. Well, as long as the wood fits in between, inside of that 90, you're good to go. Perfect.